Hello everybody. You can see we redesigned the layout of the bird room. It's a communal water bowl. That's Cotton's perch. And that's Cooper's perch. Ringo's perch. They can get up and down at some shared space. We're going to still on the toys. Just got done with it a minute ago. But then we're going to work on spot training them so that whenever we walk in, they have to go get in their spot. We hear you, buddy. You want to tell everybody something? Tell them hi. No, we don't need the camera. Talk to them. What are you doing, sweetie? What are you doing? Hi. Cooper. Yeah, hi, Cooper. That's Ringo. Your name's Ringo. Are you talking to your girlfriend? He's talking to you, Cooper. You dancing, girl? Hi, sweetie. Hello, mister. You want to show him something? Show him on that bird. Say, shoot the bird. Say, show everybody your eagle. Do it with the big wings. Good boy, buddy. All right, step up. Cotton. You tell everybody hi. Do what? Tell them hi. Wave hi. Wave. You know wave? Say bye. Wave. Wave. That's not waving. Do what, Ringo? You are a boy. You're pretty? Yeah. So, anyway. Just a little update on the birds. Kisses. Blow them kisses. Give them kisses. Give them to them. Don't whistle at them. I do. You gonna wave now, Cotton? Wave. He doesn't want to. That's enough of that, mister. That's why we built a separate room for the cockatoo. I'm living with that noise. I have for almost 19 years now, mister. Little schmuck. Tell him bye. Cotton, you gonna tell anything? Oh, he just gets... Not that. He's got a belly full of fish sandwich. Don't you spoil rotten.